Now it's time for a struggle challenge, but not just any struggle challenge. Today, I have a very special guest. My guest is Cookie Monster.
Hi.
It's good to have you, man.
First of all, me, proud member of the Struggle Meals group. So me excited to be here. It's me going to give you, Frankie, a challenge. You ready?
Yeah, I have no idea what's going on.
Okay, you got to put on the blindfold. It's okay, just trust me.
All right, it's just, you know.
Just put it on, it's gonna be good.
All right, Cookie.
You can see me, right?
I can't see anything.
How many fingers we holding up?
I don't even know if you have fingers, honestly.
We have fingers.
Okay.
Here's what we have. Ha-ha!
All right, what is it? I can't see it.
Me clean that up later. Okay, me have in front of me here some spices. So me want you to identify the spices by smelling or maybe even tasting. Give it a sniff.
Oh, interesting.
Let me know if you need clue.
Onion powder?
You got it.
All right.
Wow, this guy good.
Oh, okay. This smells like fall going into winter. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it's ground cinnamon.
You got it.
There's a lot of pressure here, Cookie.
But me believe in you, Frankie.
Oh.
It's a nice strong smell.
Yeah, it's quite strong.
Okay.
Nutmeg.
Yes. Okay, here's the next one. Keep going a little more over. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you go ahead.
Oh, this one's very obvious.
You
okay.
got this.
Ginger.
You got it. Okay, now you got 2 more spices to identify. It's a little like sweet and smoky.
Paprika?
Paprika.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, cool.
You down to 1 more spice. Oh, please get this one. Me nervous.
Okay, it's smelling almost like a citrusy zest.
And you only need a little bit of it.
You only need a little bit?
You don't want to overwhelm you food with this.
Cloves.
You got it! Frankie, you did it!
Should we sing the cookie song or something?
C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Yeah. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Yeah. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, start with
C.
Yeah. So here, part 2 of the challenge is me want you to use some of those spices, whatever is in that cute little refrigerator over there.
Okay.
And make something using those ingredients.
Okay, so what's in your fridge challenge?
See what we got in the fridge.
Okay, we have some maple syrup. Got some milk. Yogurt.
Yogurt, yeah.
This looks like mushrooms here, Cookie.
Those mushrooms.
Oh, there's some jalapenos here.
No,
we're not using mushrooms, that's for sure. Red bell pepper and jalapenos here. We have some flour.
Yes.
I mean, I'm definitely thinking that we should make something round.
Yes, Frankie. Yes, me agree. We make cookies. What, pig?
Eggs?
I think we can make some cookies.
We have half a can of pumpkin puree here.
Oh, just half a can, but we got leftovers here.
Well, no, but it's good to use leftovers because so many people are throwing out food.
Wow, that's a good idea.
Right, so maybe this should be sort of, our guiding light in what we should make.
Pumpkin cookies, please say pumpkin cookies.
Well, it's definitely gonna be soft and round.
Yes, Frankie, yes.
And we could say it together. I think we should make
pumpkin cookies.
Pancakes. Yeah, pancakes.
Sorry, what?
Yeah, we can make like a pumpkin spice pancake.
Pancakes?
Yeah, they're round, they're ooey, they're gooey.
They round?
Yeah.
They ooey, they gooey?
Yeah. Put syrup on it.
Let's do it. Me like this idea.
My monster.
Ooh. My man, Frankie. Yeah, so what are these actual spices we're going to encounter in this pancake?
Okay, so it's not spicy like the jalapeno.
Okay, good.
It's spicy like high notes of citrus up here. So
up here.
Ginger, cloves. Yeah, cinnamon's a little bit lower.
Cinnamon like here.
Yeah. And down here we have pumpkin.
Oh, yes, the pumpkin's down low.
Down low. So we got the warm. And then the citrus spice.
Citrusy up here.
We got the warm.
And
we got the citrus
spice.
spice.
The citrusy up here.
Okay.
Boy, me excited.
Let's get this together. Let's start with the egg.
Nice wrist action.
So come in with some milk. I think the apple is gonna be really good at
applesauce.
Applesauce. Using our pumpkin puree, I just try to.
We should watch this. This is not good for Cookie Monster.
Whole wheat flour.
Yes.
A little bit of regular flour.
Can we stir?
Yeah, go for it.
Stirry, stir. Stirry, stirry, stir.
There's some rolled oats.
Oh, yummy.
Let's get a little bit of the baking powder, right? So we can
Okay,
make
baking
these pancakes rise.
Yes.
So we've got the cinnamon. We can also use like a fair amount of the ginger also. Something like cloves.
Yeah, that's strong,
It's
right?
strong, so we should just...
Just a tiny little.
Exactly. Nutmeg, same thing.
Me getting so hungry.
So that's it.
So that now we make the pancake.
Yeah, so I think we should move over to the stove.
Okay.
Get a little bit of butter in here so it doesn't stick.
Okay. Oh.
All right, so I'm waiting for like bubbles to come up through the top, so we kind of have to wait.
So that's how you know it's time to flip?
Yeah.
We could be here for hours. Got any twos?
Go fish. You got any aces?
No, go fish. This riveting television. Is pancake ready, please? Be ready.
So Cookie, there's like, can you see? There's some bubbles happening.
Okay, you gonna flip?
Just like,
Whoa! A perfect pumpkin pancake. A perfect pumpkin pancake.
so this is pancake number 1.
That look lovely.
So Cookie, I got the second one happening here.
Yeah, you work on that second
I'm
one.
working on the second one here.
Yeah, you stay busy over there working on nothing happening over here, Frankie. You just work on that.
I mean, what I want you to see.
Whatever you're saying over there. Yeah, keep working on that number second pancake.
Cookie.
Nom, 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 nom.
You ate the pancake.
What?
Yeah, you did. It's gone.
Me? You accuse me of? Yeah, me eat pancake.
I saw you eat the
Me eat
pancake.
pancake.
Last pancake. Yeah.
Oh boy, cowabunga! Those look yummy.
Let me make you a plate, okay? Hang on. Let me make you a plate.
Hurry. Look at you, so delicate. Yummy, huh?
Yeah. So Cookie.
Yeah.
Normally when we do one of these challenges, I rate myself on appearance and flavor. But I think, obviously you're the special guest today. I think you should do it. So appearance, what do you think? 1 to 10.
Frankie, me got to go 10.
Seriously?
How could you outdo this? Look at that. That's beautiful work.
And flavor-wise? I mean,
10.
I need
10 cross board 10.
Do you know what that means?
What?
That means that this is the first ever perfect score challenge.
Me no can believe that.
I can't believe it either.
Handshake.
Thank you for coming. You're welcome back anytime, Cookie.
Oh, me love it here. Oh boy, okay, more pancakes.
Yep.
Mmm.